Companion planting with grapes. Growing grapes is a wonderful hobby for home gardeners and wine lovers. When growing grapes, gardeners take advantage of some strategic companion planting guidelines to ensure that their grapevines grow vigorously and thrive. Grape growing. Grapes require full sun, warm to moderate temperatures, plenty of water and quick draining soil. Companion planting. In any companion planting situation, choose plants that have similar requirements. This makes every plant's chances of success better. Grape Companions. Grapes do very well when planted with hyssop, basil, beans, geraniums, oregano, clover, peas and blackberries. Clover increases the fertility of the soil for grapes. Pest-Repelling Plants. Some plants make good companions to grapes just because of their pest-repelling qualities. Because grapes naturally draw pests, planting garlic, chives, rosemary, tansy and mint around the borders of the vineyard is a good idea. Considerations. Cold temperatures and frost will damage grapevines, regardless of companion planting. Warning. Never plant grapes with cabbage or radishes.